guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pro Asghar Habib. Dear friends, today I have bring another awesome crypto meme project that is called Thorcoin, delivering the future. So this project have a massive potential inside. It can really help you make a lot of profit in future as well. So dear friends, I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you participate and buy it right. No, you can hold it and you can sold it later and make a lot of profit. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are a new on my YouTube channel Pro Asghar Habib, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, I have placed all official links in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here to join this amazing platform. So first of all, here we can learn about what is Thorcoin. So Thorcoin is a revolutionary new cryptocurrency designed to leverage the potentials of farmers implementing organic farming and engaging digital currencies. This white paper outlines the vision, technology and economics model of Thor, providing an in-depth look at how is this unique cryptocurrencies aim to disrupt the remark and engage a wide audience as well. Now here we can also check out the services that are offered. Thor is designed for various use cases including online transactions, community engagement and organic farming, as well as here we can also learn about Thorcoin white paper. You can also click on here, you can also check out its white paper and I recommend it to all of you. So before investing in this project, must be read out this white paper thoroughly. Here you can also get the introduction what is Thorcoin. So here you can also check Thorcoin is a decentralized peer-to-peer digital currency inspired by the internet. So it's combined the power of blockchain technology with the organic farming phenomenon to create a coin that is not only functional and also engaging for its user as well. Here you can also check out its executive Thorcoin summary detail, as well as you can also check out its vision and mission. So the vision is to become the most popular and widely used cryptocurrency in the world, and the mission is to harness the viral nature to promote cryptocurrency adoptions and create a awareness exclusive financial ecosystem as well. Here you can also check out the technology like that blockchain framework and learn more here as well. So here we can also check out its smart contract detail and consensus mechanism detail as well. Now here you can also check out its economics model like that its token mix. You can also check out the total supply. The total supply of the Thorcoin is capable at 2 million coins to prevent inflations and maintain scarcity and distribution. So initial distribution will be include a combination of airdrops, rewards of early adopters and allocation for development and marketing as well. So burn mechanism, portions of transaction fees will be burned or removed from circulating, reducing the total supply over time and potential increase the coin's value as well. Here you can also check out its amazing roadmap. In phase 1 is including development and launch, in phase 2 expansions and adoption, and in phase 3 long-term goals as well. Here we can also check out the use cases like that Thorcoin is designed for various use cases like that online transactions detail, as well as you can also check community engagement and as well organic farming detail as well. Now here we can also check out about the team detail like their founder and advisory details. So DFS team are very strong, and here you can also check out the legal and compliance detail and calculations as well. So must be read out its white paper thoroughly and understand more about investing in this project as well. Here you can also check out the team details. So DFS team are very strong and they have a lot of experience related to this amazing project and much more. Here you can also check out, and let's start chatting, and must be follow them on their social media to get latest news and updates as well. You can also send email if you have any inquiry as well, and here you can also check out its contract address as well. So first of all, check out on Dex Screener, and I also place link in my video description. Here you can also check out its price with Solana. So this is the next gem project on Solana. Right here you can also check that its price is going up, and so it's a very bullish project, and here you can also check out its hype as well. Now it's making its height right now, and here you can also check out its current price as well as liquidity 1.6k dollar and flow is 5.2k dollar. So this is its initial stage and you can buy it right now, and it can really help you make it in future as well, and it can really help you to make a millionaire as well. A lot of people are already buying this amazing coin, so I also recommend it to all of you. So don't miss this golden chance and must be add this coin in your crypto portfolio right now. I also recommend it to all of you, so must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates related to this amazing project and grow your wealth with Thorcoin. So organic farming coin is cultivation a green future with 800k circulation, robust technology, sustainable practices. Join the harvest right now. Here you can also check out more information related to this amazing project and read out their tweets as well. And I also recommend it to all of you must be join its Telegram community to get latest news and updates, as well as you can attract with their growing and active community as well. And I also recommend it to all of you must be follow them on their Instagram to get latest news and update and read out their posts as well. I also recommend it to all of you must be follow them on their Facebook to get latest news and updates as well. So this is an awesome project that have a massive potential inside, and it can really help to make a lot of profit in future as well. So dear friends, I recommend it to all my community, all my friends. So must be buy this token right now, and it can really help to make a lot of profit in future as well. I hope so you like this video. Share with your friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.